In this Epidemic Sound tutorial, you'll see how you can quickly find and use professional, royalty-free music and sound effects. If you want to follow along step by step, you can click the affiliate link in the description below. Once you're on the website, click Pricing to compare the plans. Every plan comes with a 30-day free trial. After you pick a plan and set up your account, you'll enter the Epidemic Sound platform. Now let's go through each section. Studio is built to take the guesswork out of finding music. Rather than digging through thousands of tracks manually, you can upload a video up to 4 minutes long and add a short description of what it's about. Once you do that, the system analyzes your content and starts suggesting music that matches both the structure and emotional tone of your video. Instead of spending time guessing or searching through tracks to find what fits, you get instant recommendations for music and sound effects that already align with your footage. The Discover section is the perfect place to explore new and trending music, especially when you're not sure what you're looking for yet. One of the most useful parts of this section is that you're not limited to just browsing manually. At the top of the page, you can also use the Assistant feature. This AI tool lets you describe your project, and it will recommend music that matches your mood, pacing, and content style. When you click into any track, you can preview it and jump between different sections of the song. You can also select specific segments like 15 or 30 seconds. The music section is the heart of Epidemic Sound, and it's where the platform really shows its full range. The library is extensive, but it's organized in a way that makes it easy to quickly find the right music. You can also browse by genre, which includes categories like pop, jazz, electronic, and many more. If you click View All, you get an extensive list of genre subcategories. This structure matters because it saves you from endless searching. Instead of testing random tracks, you can narrow in on the exact sound you're trying to create. Once you select a subcategory, you'll automatically see a list of songs sorted by what's new. You can also adjust the filters to explore the music in different ways, such as sorting by tempo, arranging in alphabetical order, or narrowing results by track length. Once you find a track you like, you can instantly save it to your liked songs by clicking the heart icon. The plus sign allows you to add it to a playlist, or the down arrow downloads it onto your device. In the music section, you can also search by mood, theme, or artist. Mood lets you filter by emotion like happy, dreamy, epic, and more. Theme helps you match music to content types like ads, comedy, cooking, etc. An artist search helps you build consistency by reusing creators whose style fits your brand. The sound effects section is where you bring your videos to life through detail. While music sets the tone, sound effects add realism, depth, and professionalism. This library includes everything from transitions and impacts to UI sounds, nature ambience, mechanical noises, and more. The Voices section allows you to generate AI voiceovers directly inside Epidemic Sound. These voices have all been created by real voice artists. You can choose from realistic AI voices or create a digital replica of your own voice, which is especially useful for creators building a consistent brand identity. Once you paste in your script, you can adjust pacing, add pauses, and refine delivery before generating the final audio. Creating voiceovers runs on credits from your plan, and once generated, your voiceovers recordings are saved in the History section. The Assistant section lets you use AI to find both music and sound effects in a single search. Adapt is where you fully reshape how the music fits your video. Instead of being stuck with the original structure of a track, you can rearrange it however you need, moving sections around, trimming intros, or completely rebuilding the flow to match your edit. You can select stems to fine-tune the arrangement by adjusting the volume for individual layers, like drums, bass, melody, and vocals. The playlist section is your long-term organization system. Any track you like or save can be grouped into playlists, which helps you organize music by project, mood, or content type. The download section is your archive of everything you've already exported. This makes it easy to reuse music or sound effects without having to search for them again, which speeds up repeat workflows and client work. The Apps section is where you connect Epidemic Sound with editing tools, like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. The Credits section is where you track your usage for AI features like voiceovers. It shows how many credits you've used and how many remain based on your plan. Overall, Epidemic Sound is a complete audio ecosystem for creators. It combines a massive library with powerful AI tools that make it easier to find, customize, and generate audio at a professional level. If you're ready to get started, use the affiliate link in the description below to create your account with Epidemic Sound. If you want more technology-based videos like this one, subscribe to Modern Digital Empire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.